Billy the Kid.
You already know. What I do with that already?
What you about to do, Bill?
About to go blow some stuff up today. That's what we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying?
About to go blow some stuff up?
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here handling business.
Thumb something. Thumb something.
See what y'all want me to hit? You got it?
Bill about to blow some shit up. That's a picture right there.
Damn, it's glad. Damn, it's glad.
I don't know if you can hear it, but he's shooting it.
Yeah. Damn.
Alright, you ready to take action? I'm taking cover, so.
Well, why y'all acting like that?
I ain't acting like nothing.
Oh, nothing to do with that.
Hey, what you doing? Don't face that this way.
Y'all acting like blood. Hold on, get a picture of this dude. Get a picture of this dude. Take it over.
Alright, Bill, I'm right here, bro.
Ready?
I'm right here. Alright.
Ready? Ready?
Oh!
Wow.
Oh! You supposed to hit it and hold on to it like you did last time. Hurry up, bro, for
Ready?
oh shit.
Go, everybody, go.
Oh me, you gonna do the other one? I'll do it. You wanna do it?
Yeah, we go.
Alright, you gotta record though.
Man, let me turn my phone, man. Y'all
Hey,
live. Is it still recording?
Let's see the glasses.
It's still recording, you get the glasses. How much time we got left?
I don't know. Put the Desert Eagle on the floor. You already know. YouTube coming soon. Facebook.
For sure, bro.
You already know.
You know which one's yours, right?
Yeah, niggas.
You got the biggest one. You know what I'm saying? We out here with the guns and stuff. Let me show y'all the artillery. Feel me? We got the rifle. You know what I'm saying? We got the Colt 45. You know what I'm talking about? We out here blowing stuff up.
Turn this up all day.
You feel me?
Nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
What goes up must come down.
If it don't come down, then
It must be at the moon.
yep, it must be in the moon. Yeah, you go ahead and handle that. You know what I'm saying? Let's get some cover popping off.
That's ready to do. We about to do the do.
Ready? Oh shit! The helicopter boys, go, nigga! Grab it, what's them calling? Grab the pistols. That's the coppers. I swear that's the coppers. Go. Bro, he got the gun like he gonna bust the helicopter. Nah, come on, we gonna hurry and get that one out the way. Just go, hurry up. Hurry up. Go, AJ, go. What?
Nothing.
Oh, this nigga's a bitch. Go, hit it hard. Bro!
Nigga, I'm not doing that one.